Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical R1. This is another video on AI model, and today I will discuss DeepSeek AI model. What is DeepSeek AI? DeepSeek is a advanced AI powered model. Okay, and this model is built by DeepSeek AI software company from China and was founded this company in the year 2023, right? Currently, DeepSeek has two different models. One is DeepSeek R1 and another is DeepSeek R1 Zero. DeepSeek R1 is a general purpose AI system, whereas DeepSeek R1 Zero uses reinforcement learning. That means it is entirely self-taught, right? And this DeepSeek model is open source and probably free, right? And this is also an advanced LLP model. What is LLP? Large language processing is a type of AI model that is pre-trained, that is trained on enormous amount of text data to understand and generate human text, right? So go to the computer screen. Through web browser, I will discuss DeepSeek R1 AI model step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, today I will discuss on DeepSeek AI R3 model, which is a revolutionary breakthrough in artificial intelligence, right? DeepSeek is a Chinese AI company that develops open source large language models, LLMs, okay, means large language model, right? Lian Wenfeng established the company in 2023 and serves as its CEO, right? The DeepSeek R1 model provides responses comparable to other contemporary large language models such as OpenAI, GPT-4o and O1, right? It is trained at a significantly lower cost, stated at $6 million compared to $100 million for OpenAI's GPT-4 in 2023, right? On 10th January 2025, DeepSeek released its first free chatbot app based on the DeepSeek R1 model for iOS and Android. By 27 January 2025, DeepSeek R1 had surpassed ChatGPT as the most downloaded free app, right? DeepSeek makes its generative artificial intelligence algorithms, models and training details open source, allowing its code to be freely available for use, modification, viewing and designing documents for building purposes. And should remember that this DeepSeek AI R3 model is free and open source, probably unlimited for use, right? And DeepSeek is a advanced LLP model, means large language processing model, right? And also should remember this LLP, it is one of the type of artificial intelligence that is trained on enormous amount of text data to understand and generate human-like text, right? And also this DeepSeek AI R3 is actually built by this DeepSeek artificial intelligence company from China, right? So go to the computer screen. Through web browser, I will show how to use this DeepSeek AI model step by step. So suppose we are search here, just write DeepSeek, okay? So at first, whatever the search given, the DeepSeek website is given, just open the link, just click on start now and it will just verify some part, and we just log in with my Google account. So this Google account for Arnab Kundu is concerned, and just continue it, and just I have logged in within this DeepSeek account with my account is concerned. This is an Arnab Kundu, and this is the particular area where we put our prompt, and this is the interface for DeepSeek AI model is concerned. And if we click on this DeepSeek Think R1, and now suppose we put some prompt here, suppose we write here generate HTML and CSS code for build a candle with flame, right, and press enter. So just see, it will thinking on that whatever the query we are given, and it's very interesting for DeepSeek is concerned. The internal AI model just whatever thinking just write on that basis, and after that it will generate the whatever the outcome we request within this prompt, right? It's just thinking away, and after thinking away it will generate the HTML with CSS code whatever we are going to give as a request for animated candle with a frame, right? So if we just after completing their code whatever they are writing into there through this DeepSeek, and you are just see this are given, okay, the user wants to create a candle, this is very beautiful, they are write some article into that whatever the search we are given into there. So this particular prompt are just very much helpful and very interesting for DeepSeek this AI model is concerned. And after whatever it generate, if we just run this HTML, just click into there, just see it generate a candle with a particular flame, right? So it's also generated by the ChatGPT, but DeepSeek what happened is a totally free and open source, and probably it's an unlimited for use for each and every account is concerned, right? So now we write another prompt here, just write generate a poem in Bengali in the event of Durga Puja. Just write the prompt and press enter. So same thing, it will thinking on that whatever the prompt we are given into there, and according to the thinking it will generate something whatever the prompt we are put into there, right? Because as a free is concerned it will take some times, and sometimes maybe the server is busy. This type of particular message is also shown here. I think this message will be shown here for server is busy is concerned. Okay, so I just deselect this, yes, server is busy, so we just select this prompt again and just paste here and just deselect it, the DeepSeek R1, and then we just press enter. So it's also generating the particular poem whatever we are given as a prompt for the request. So just see they are generating in Bengali language because it's a one of the company from China is concerned. So still it will very trained on some worldwide different languages like Bengali. So Durga Pujo Mayer Agomoni Barta Shune, Akasher Batashe Utsav Gane, like this poem it's automatically generated by this DeepSeek AI model, and this is a DeepSeek R1 model which is pre-trained and is also one of the generative AI, right? It's based on the LLM model, also the LLP is concerned, means large language processing, which is one of the type of artificial intelligence is concerned, right? And one thing should remember, the DeepSeek when launched, they are actually launched to different version of AI model they are introduced. One is DeepSeek R1 and that is DeepSeek R10. This DeepSeek R10 they uses the reinforcement learning, which is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decision by interaction with an environment, right? So they are already demand that this particular DeepSeek R10 model is a reinforcement learning model, right? I hope you have already understood how to use this DeepSeek and what the benefits of this DeepSeek is concerned. ChatGPT have different benefits, DeepSeek have different benefits. One benefit is very unique for DeepSeek is concerned, that is the free and open source and near about it's unlimited for use for every month and every user is concerned. I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical R1 for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.